Hello everyone, this tutorial will help you to identify and find scholarly sources. Popular articles are found in newspapers or magazines and are for news or entertainment purposes. They are written or produced for a general audience and informal in tone and scope. Reviewed by an editor but rarely cite other sources, and they are not peer-reviewed. Scholarly articles are found in journals and they contain in-depth or original research and bibliographies. They are written in technical language and presented in dense text to identify scholarly material. Look for these characteristics. Scholarly articles are written by experts, looking for university affiliation or PhD following the author's name. Also, look for an abstract, which is a paragraph that summarizes the content of the article. Scholarly articles also contain discipline-specific terminology. Finally, the scholarly article contains a bibliography, which is a list of citations at the end of the article. Now that you know the characteristics of scholarly peer-review articles, how do you find them? It's important to use the right database from your subject area to search for the articles. In this example, we'll use Communication and Mass Media Complete to find a peer-reviewed journal article for a journalism student. Go to the advanced search and enter the keywords of your research topics. Under the search box, check peer-reviewed and select the source type academic journal. Then click search to view your result. Some articles will have PDF full text or HTML full text. For more information regarding the best databases for your research, book an appointment with a librarian or chat with a librarian. We are here to assist you. Here you go. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to find scholarly articles. Happy researching!